And people be like, you know, tattoos be hurting all the time, man. Yeah, they hurt, but man, it's a journey within there that makes it count. Samoan Mike is the most talented, man, tattooist in the world to me. He does me, all my brothers, Roman. Shout out to Samoan Mike. But everything you see on my body is Samoan art piece. You know, all tells a story. This is my first tattoo right here, Samoa. Got a butterfly, got palm trees. It's like our tree of life, the palm tree. And you know, Samoan people means life, water. So I incorporated my kids' names in the palm trees because they bring me life, man. They saved my life. You know, once you become a dad, a father, man, it just hit different. One piece that means the most to me is it's a skull. Umaga had the same skull piece on his chest. His date right here, 1973 to 2009. You can see it right there, it's him. Red eyes, paint.